A little bit about my products that I use. For the face paint, I used Neuron's AQ palette. That's really my go-to for face paint. I also, for the blue and the purple, I use the Poison collection from Makeup or Murder. I also use Evidence One Lashes from Makeup or Murder. She is an indie brand and she's my absolute favorite. I love all of her products. And for the glitter, I used Pretty Weird Cosmetics, which is super bomb glitter company. I did use Glitter Realm's Samarita palette. I used the black and the blue and the purple, but that was pretty much it for the products. This is pretty much all glitter and rhinestone with a little bit of face paint and loose pigments. So I really don't have like a certain technique that I like to do. I'm able to think of something or see something and try to recreate it. And my technique was just to go as quick as I possibly could. I'm used to like 3-4 hours, so 1 hour was like killing me. But I really enjoyed being a part of this contest, and I really enjoyed you guys having me, and I hope you really liked my look. I had a lot of fun, so thank you guys so much. Thank you from me and Lucille. We love you all. Thank you guys so much.